The internet is in crisis, and the very person who helped create its ad economy is now on a mission to save it. Brace yourself, because this story is a roller coaster. The internet is breaking down, and it's personal. You've likely felt it. The internet has become a cluttered mess, and the culprit is the very system that was meant to democratize information. By 2026, AI will dominate, generating 90% of web content. But here's the twist. The person behind this revelation is none other than the founder of AppNexus, a company sold for $1.6 billion, and the former CTO of Right Media. They built the technology that powers digital advertising, a massive industry funding diverse online ventures. And then the plot thickens. The advertising system, instead of charging for content, made you the product. Every online action became a commodity, and your data was the new currency. As a result, quality journalism suffered, and the internet became a chaotic mess. Trust is eroding, misinformation spreads like wildfire, and the internet as we know it is on the verge of collapse. But there's a glimmer of hope. The internet has a history of rebirth. Web 1.0 gave us basic connectivity, and Web 2.0 brought user-generated content, despite initial fears. Mobile phones, once a nuisance, now feel indispensable. This pattern suggests that the internet is about to transform again, and AI is at the heart of it. AI is both the problem and the solution. It generates low-quality content, but it's also the tool for rebuilding. The agentic AI economy is emerging, where AI acts as an intelligent intermediary. Licensing deals, revenue sharing, and new compensation models are reshaping the industry. AI companies invest in advertising infrastructure, and innovative firms like Scope 3 offer agentic advertising, matching ads to content themes without invading privacy. The future is in our hands. We can either let the internet collapse or harness AI to create a better system. We can monetize trust, reward quality journalism, and connect ads to genuine interests. The builders who grasp this pivotal moment are poised to create the internet we desire. It's a choice between chaos and a new, improved digital world. The time to act is now. Will we embrace the potential of AI or let the internet crumble? The decision is ours.